All right, guys, welcome to another stream. Welcome TikTok, welcome YouTube. We're about to do our live stream right now. Just This is just a demonstration, guys, of how the indicator would work. Okay, so I'm just gonna answer. Hopefully, I can answer most of the questions that you guys keep texting me. It's just so that you guys know what this indicator is about. Okay, so number one, this indicator works on MetaTrader 5. Okay, let's start with the basic questions that you guys keep asking me the same questions, but I'm not mad. Okay, I'm not mad at you. Okay, so this indicator, guys, works on MetaTrader 5. Okay, right? It works on MetaTrader 5, and then it works on a PC, on a computer. Right, let me just type in computer. It works on a computer. Okay, computer, not a phone. So if you need, is that how you spell computer? Is that the correct spelling for computer? Computer. Okay, I'm not an English teacher, guys. I'm a trader. Okay. So yeah, anyways, the indicator works on MetaTrader 5. Okay. It works on a computer, guys. If you want to use it on a phone, um you need to have a remote desktop uh, app on your phone, like your Windows app, and you need to have a VPS. So if you don't understand what I'm telling you about a VPS and thing like that, then you can't use it on the phone. Okay, so you need to have a computer, you need to have a laptop, okay, to use it, right? You can use Mac, you can use a Windows PC, right? But the Mac installation is different. Okay, and then the price, guys, right, is not a free indicator. Okay, it's not a free indicator, right? I coded this indicator, so I coded it for the intention to sell it as well, okay? And also to assist traders, okay? So the price is 119 USD, right? It's 119 USD. Um, the price in South African rands is 1,900. Let me put that here, okay? So you guys can see what I'm saying, right? 1,000, okay, 1,900, okay? In South African rands. I'm in South Africa, guys, okay? Um, Okay, and then what else do I get asked? How is the indicator delivered? It's through email. Okay, so it's delivered through email, guys, right? So basically, I when you purchase the trading system, right now you can't really purchase it from my website. Okay, I'm just waiting for, there's something called an SSL certificate. So then the website is not ready for those purchases, right? So right now you have to pay directly to me. You can use various methods. You can use USDT, Bitcoin. I also take Capitec deposits. I take net bank deposits. I also take tap send as well. Okay, so those are the methods that are there right now. If you don't have crypto and you want to purchase the indicator using your debit card or whatever, you can use something called tap send. Okay, so just send me a message, then I'll just give you guys the steps on how to do it. Okay, it's very, very simple, right? And then another common question that I get, guys, does this work on synthetic indices and does this work on Forex currency pairs? Okay, yes, it does, right? So this indicators for MetaTrader 5. Okay, so MetaTrader 5 on a computer. So if you can log in to your account on MetaTrader 5, this platform right here that we're looking at, then the indicator will work. Okay, what you do is you populate the markets that you want it to scan, right? It scans the market for you and then it shows you the buying and the selling signals, right? So then you just operate on the chart itself to see which signals you want to take. And then you just follow that. We're going to just have a look at a few of them right now, okay? Let me just see something first, guys. I see that there's somebody. Yes. All right. Okay. Just hold on, guys. Just hold on. I'm coming. asking like how much do you need to get started. Okay, so firstly guys, okay, this system, okay, it's not usually when people ask that question, they assume that this is a system that automatically trades for you. No, it doesn't. Okay, so this is a trading indicator, right? So its purpose is to show you the trades. Okay, the purpose is to show you the trades, guys, right? It doesn't trade for you, it shows you the trades. Okay, it shows you the trades, guys. All right, just hold on, guys. Just want to forward the link to somebody. I got 10 views. I'm not popping on TikTok. I mean on YouTube, guys. Fucking hell. At some point I was, eh? I'd have like hundreds of people on there, but it's not like that. Okay, it's really, really not like that. I'm only popping on TikTok. TikTok is where I'm popping at, guys. Right? YouTube and stuff. I'm not really. I'm not popping, guys. Oh, okay. I've got 1,000 followers on YouTube. It was difficult to get 1,000 followers, but I've also got like on my Instagram. I've got like 2,000 followers. Okay. So, anyways, like I was saying, this is a MetaTrader 5 indicator. Um, and it's not an expert advisor. Okay, it's a MetaTrader 5 indicator, so it won't execute trades for you. It'll only show you the trades, the signals on the dashboard. You see at the bottom on the dashboard, and then also on the chart itself. Okay, so as for the accuracy in a trending market, guys, we've got a win probability of 80 to 85% when the market is in a trend. Okay, so that's how we view it, right? So yeah, guys, that's how. And what other question? Because I keep getting the same questions, guys. So I just wanted to address it right here. Okay. What else do you guys ask me? All right. Which brokers does it work on? It doesn't matter which broker you have, guys. As long as it's MetaTrader 5. This is for MT5, right? So as long as, even if you use XNES, even if you use Deriv, even if you use FX Pro, IC Markets, Pepperstone, Hugo's Way, what is it? Insta Forex, any broker. This works on any broker as long as it's in you have MetaTrader 5. It works. Okay, it works on that, right? So then if you want to get the indicator, guys, just send me. If you're on YouTube, there's a link in the description. It will take you to my contact details, right, on WhatsApp. And then if you're here on TikTok, you can just send me a DM here on TikTok. If you're in my Telegram channel, you can also send. You can click the link, and it will take you to my WhatsApp, and then we'll be able to get you the indicator. Okay. Very, very easy. So without wasting time, guys, I'm not intending to be on the live stream for too long, right? So maybe we're going to be live for about 10 more minutes, okay? So let me just show you how we find trades, right? So, but first, before we look for the trades, guys, we need to understand the components that are on the screen, okay? So when you get the indicator, guys, it's only one attachment, right? You only attach one indicator, okay? So the indicator file is the one that you're going to get in the email, okay? So you only attach one indicator, and then it's going to show you the dashboard, which is here at the bottom. The dashboard is actually the most important one because this is where now we're going to see the different signals. Okay, this is where we're going to see the different signals. And then where there's a signal, right, on the chart, you'll see a rectangle, okay, with the information, the entry, stop loss, take profit levels. Okay, so for each signal, you're going to get an entry point, stop loss, take profit 1, take profit 2, take profit 3. Okay, so when do you enter or you set limits or stops? You can enter when the system at the level that the system gives you. I think it's pretty straightforward. Okay, it's very straightforward. If the price level hasn't been reached, you can use a pending order. Okay, but it's really straightforward, guys. What you see is exactly what you do. Okay. So let's look at the components, right? So when you load the indicator, you're going to see this pop up here at the bottom. Okay, so this is the signals dashboard. Okay, so on the signals dashboard, you'll see the symbol column, right, telling you what signals it is. I mean, the symbol is scanning, and then it's also color coded as well. So now if there's a sell signal, it's going to color code the text and make it red. If it's a buy signal, it's going to color code the text and make it green. Okay, Then you've got the time frame column, you've got the signal column. This column tells you whether it's a buy or sell signal. The TF is the time frame column. This is like telling you that I'm on the H1 chart or whatever. So this you can change it. So if you change it to a 15-minute chart, it's gonna give you signals on the 15-minute chart. If you change it to a 5-minute chart, it's gonna give you 5-minute signals. You know, so on and so forth. Very easy. It's not complicated. Okay. And then this is the age column. This is how fresh the signal is. So you can see the 1-bar trades are the ones that just appeared, and then there's 3-bar trades, 5-bar trades. Okay. And then you've got your entry column. This is the entry price. You've got your stop loss column. You've got your take profit 1 column, take profit 2, take profit 3. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at one buy signal and one sell signal. Okay, so this is volatility 50, right, on the H1 chart. As you guys can see on the dashboard, you can see it's green. The text is green. You can see it's telling us buy trade right there. You guys see that? Okay, there's our entry price. You see right there. There's our stop loss. There's our first take profit 2, take profit 3, right? So just like that, when you go to the chart, okay, when you go to the chart, you can see that it's giving us our levels. So we can actually take the trade. Okay, we can actually take the trade right where it currently is. Okay, let me just select my lot size. Okay, this is the one. This needs a big lot size. You know, some of these things are funny, right? I'm taking the trade right there. That I've opened up my trade, and then my stop loss, I'll just drag it down to the stop loss area, just like that. And then my take profit, I'll just drag it to the take profit area. Okay, just like that, guys. How many seconds did it take us to decide to take the trade? Very easy, guys. So even if you are a beginner, guys, that you just follow the system. Okay, you just follow the system, guys, and it shows you exactly where to go, right? It shows you exactly where to put your entry, where to put your stop. Like, you don't even need to think about it. Okay, so let's go maybe look at another signal. Let's have a look. Oh yes, and this column right here, guys, this chart column. Okay, so what it does, if you look closely at the chart, let me just minimize this so you guys can see. You can see right now I'm on the crash 600 chart, right? On the top right of the screen. So these buttons right here, right? If I click on this button, it'll change the chart, okay? So let me just, you see, it's on volatility 50 now. I don't have to drag and drop anything. I can just click. You see, I can just click. You guys see that? Then the chart changes, right? So it's a very, very smart system, okay? So you don't even need to open up many charts. You open up one chart, okay, load the indicator, and then you'll be able to jump in between different charts. Very easy, okay? So now let's look at another example, right? Let's look at another example. Here's another example. This is jump 75 index on the 1-hour chart. You guys can see our entry point is right there. You guys can see it says entry. Open up our trade right there. And then our stop loss is down here. I'm just going to drag it, and then our take profit is all the way up there. Okay, I just open up a lot that's quite big, but it is what it is. Let's look for a sell signal right now. Let's look for sell signal. Very easy, guys. Those are just 2 trades that we just got. So we're just going to look for sell signal. We're going to look for a sell signal that's valid. Maybe let's also go down to the smaller time frames. Let's see what sell signal I can come up with. Okay, so here's a sell signal, guys, right? 15-minute chart. Okay, and then similar approach, guys, right? You can see entry point, take profit 1, take profit 2, take profit 3. Very easy. You just trade according to that. Open up the sell, drag the stop loss, drag your take profit. Done. Trade entered. Done. We move on, right? You move on, guys. You don't have to you move on, you move on, you move on, you move on, you move on. Let's go. But I like taking trades on the higher time frames, guys. I don't want to lie. I love the high time frames, okay? So, but anyways, let's keep going. Let's look at one more sell signal, guys. One more sell signal. And then I'm going to disconnect, okay? Because I need to respond. I'm getting a lot of messages, right? I'm getting a lot of messages, so I just want to respond to everyone, okay, very quickly, okay? And then, oh, just another note, guys, okay? We do have a Telegram channel that you guys can join, so just click the link in my bio on TikTok, okay? So objects, let me just get shape so you guys can easily see. Okay, so here's a signal, guys. Again, this is the skew step index. right? So you guys can see we've got our entry point right there, okay? This is where we place our stop loss. This is where we place our take profit, 1, okay? So each signal gives us, each signal comes with 3 different take profit levels. So that's TP1, TP2, TP3, okay? So just like that, we've got our signal. We know where the market is going, and then we can actually take the trade just like that. Painless and free, just like that. Quick, not free, quick, right? Well, we can't trade gold today. Someone's asking for gold. Guys, remember gold is part of the Forex, okay? So Forex works from Monday to Friday. It's pointless to look at the charts right now. The market is closed. It's closed. The market's closed. What do you want to do? You can't even open a trade right now. That's like Forex 101, guys, okay? Forex market, Monday to Friday. Synthetics are open 7 days a week. Even the cryptocurrencies. That's what we can look at, okay? Do you do one-on-one installations? Yes, I can, but I prefer not to because I got a high number of people reaching out to me. Okay, so then there's an installation video that you need to follow. If you struggle to watch the video, or if you struggle to follow the video, then I'll connect to you remotely. Okay, so you just need to install TeamViewer, AnyDesk, or Rust Desk, and then have an internet connection, and then I'll be able to connect to your PC and help you with the installation. Okay. All right, guys, someone's asking me if I can explain how the indicator works. Okay, fine, right? So I'm just going to go through it one more time, okay? And then I'm going to close the stream, okay? Because we've been here. I'm not planning to sit on the stream for a while, all right? So the indicator works on MetaTrader 5. It works on a computer, okay? You need to have a computer. It doesn't work on a phone, right? The price of the indicator is 119 USD, 119 USD, okay? Or 1,900 rands. Okay. Payment methods: NetBank, Capitec, USDT, Bitcoin, and then tap send as well. Okay. Delivery of the delivery of the software is through email. So when you do the payment, you need to give me your email address so that I can send you the software files. Okay. Then you'll be added to the VIP group with the installation videos and the guides. Okay. And then now, once you get the files, you install it. It looks like this on MetaTrader 5. Okay, you're gonna see a dashboard at the bottom of the screen. This dashboard is what shows you the signals. Okay, so these are all the signals. So you're gonna see all the signal information on the dashboard. You're gonna see whether it's a buy or sell signal. You're gonna see the entry price. You're gonna see the stop loss, take profit 1, 2, and 3. Okay, and then where there's a signal, the system will paint the levels directly onto the chart. So you're going to get your entry point, stop loss, take profit 1, take profit 2, take profit 3. Okay, so when there's an applicable signal, then you can trade accordingly. Okay, so that's basically how it works, right? So anyways, guys, we've reached the end of our trading session. Okay, somebody's asking for the WhatsApp number. Okay, so let me just send you my WhatsApp number, guys. And then we've reached the end of the session. If you have any more questions, guys, just send me a message on WhatsApp, okay? Then we can continue, or just send me a DM here on TikTok. It's all good. Everything is good, right? So anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching the stream. I will be seeing you guys later, okay? Take care, guys. Good luck trading. And then, yeah, let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it.